Welcome to our comparison video, where we will be exploring two popular countertop ice makers, the Kismile Nugget ice maker and the SMUG Countertop ice maker. In this video, we will delve into their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which ice maker is the best fit for your home or office. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Kismile Nugget ice maker is priced at $219 United States dollars, making it a premium option. In contrast, the SMUG Countertop ice maker is significantly more affordable at just $79 United States dollars. This price difference is a crucial factor for budget-conscious consumers looking for an efficient ice-making solution. In terms of ice production, the Kismile Nugget ice maker boasts an impressive capacity of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the SMUG Countertop ice maker produces 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours, which is still substantial but may be better suited for smaller households or occasional use. Both ice makers come with self-cleaning features, which enhance their convenience. The Kismile Nugget ice maker offers a one-click operation for easy use, while the SMUG Countertop ice maker features a portable design with a handle, making it easy to transport for parties or camping trips. These features cater to different user preferences and needs. In conclusion, both the Kismile Nugget ice maker and the SMUG Countertop ice maker have their unique advantages. The Kismile offers higher ice production and premium features, while the SMUG is budget-friendly and portable. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.